Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Modern icon background grid in Photoshop using custom shapes that I start by creating a square canvas suitable for background usage. Then I draw a single simple icon shape using the custom shape tool. Now I duplicate the icon multiple times to form a clean grid pattern that I slightly rotate or scale semicolons to avoid strict repetition. Next, I apply soft neutral colors to keep the background usable. Then I lower opacity so the pattern does not overpower foreground content that I check alignment using Smart Guides for consistency. At the end, I refine spacing until the grid feels visually calm.